Everyone, it's Dr. Rick, and I wanted to invite you to my new sports medicine clinic here at the Endorphin Effect. Although we have a lot of work ahead of us, the pandemic seems to be slowing down a bit, and people, because of spring and summer, are starting to come out and exercise more. So this is a good thing, especially with the extra 10 pounds that everybody gained over 2020. But even if it's just 5 to 10 pounds of extra weight gain, if you haven't been active for that long of a time period, you might injure yourself getting back into what you're used to. And for those of you who already initiated it and are feeling the pain in the knees, difficulty with hips, pulled hamstrings, back pain, flare-up, or shoulder pain, offering a truncated visit just for sports injury, especially if you're trying to move, trying to get exercising, but you can't because of some hang-up. As always, I like to get to the root cause of why you're suffering with pain and why you can't get past your plateau. This is not for people who have hit the wall in trying to optimize or fine-tune their lifestyle. This is more for injuries only. After finishing my residency in 1994 with family medicine, I was awarded a fellowship position with the Center for Athletic Medicine. It was a 12-month fellowship that exposed me to DePaul University, World Cup soccer, professional and amateur sports, in addition to seeing a host of different surgical and non-surgical patients that have gone through the sports medicine gauntlet. But the thing with integrated medicine is I don't stop at sports medicine, I intertwine it with lifestyle change. After fixing your injury, connecting you with physical therapy, massage therapy, maybe acupuncture, my team will hopefully be able to propel you to a healthy lifestyle where you can get rid of some of your medicines, live younger than before, and beat the odds as far as disease. Nutrition, sleep, and functional efficiency are definitely important, but exercise and movement is the basic. Once you take care of your injury, you can propel yourself to get even better than before. The idea is to compress the suffering, compress your morbidity, and improve on your performance. If that gets you to a personal record, a max lift, or just gets you to stop your medicines, I think that's fair. You're investing a lot of precious time and effort to get yourself healthier than everybody else, and I want to be on your team to propel you. Go to Herbal 411, my website, choose New Patient Consult, and then the package Sports Medicine. If you have not had any recent travels, you're not feverish, and you haven't been exposed to anybody with COVID, then I'll meet you at the Endorphin Effect Training Center in Bartlett. Sports medicine injuries can be figured out 80% of the time just with history, but it's important to have you come into the office for a hands-on confirmation of what the diagnosis is. My intentions for your sports medicine consult are to have you come in slow and limping, but to have you graduate fast and running. Thanks for watching. Check out my YouTube channel, and I'll see you at the training center.